初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
I'm looking for a rental.
I'm looking for a rental.
我在找租房。
I'm looking for a rental.
I'm looking for a rental.
Is this apartment available?
Is this apartment available?
这个公寓还有吗？
Is this apartment available?
Is this apartment available?
How much is the monthly rent?
How much is the monthly rent?
月租多少钱？
How much is the monthly rent?
How much is the monthly rent?
Are utilities included in rent?
Are utilities included in rent?
水电费包含在租金里吗？
Are utilities included in rent?
Are utilities included in rent?
How long is the lease term?
How long is the lease term?
租期多长？
How long is the lease term?
How long is the lease term?
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
我什么时候可以搬进来？
When can I move in?
When can I move in?
Is there a security deposit?
Is there a security deposit?
需要押金吗？
Is there a security deposit?
Is there a security deposit?
How much is the deposit?
How much is the deposit?
押金多少钱？
How much is the deposit?
How much is the deposit?
Do you allow pets here?
Do you allow pets here?
这里允许养宠物吗？
Do you allow pets here?
Do you allow pets here?
Is there parking included?
Is there parking included?
包含停车位吗？
Is there parking included?
Is there parking included?
How about public transport nearby?
How about public transport nearby?
附近公共交通怎么样？
How about public transport nearby?
How about public transport nearby?
Can I see the unit now?
Can I see the unit now?
我现在可以看房吗？
Can I see the unit now?
Can I see the unit now?
How many bedrooms does it have?
How many bedrooms does it have?
有几个卧室？
How many bedrooms does it have?
How many bedrooms does it have?
Is the apartment furnished?
Is the apartment furnished?
公寓带家具吗？
Is the apartment furnished?
Is the apartment furnished?
What appliances are included?
What appliances are included?
包含哪些家电？
What appliances are included?
What appliances are included?
Is there laundry in building?
Is there laundry in building?
楼里有洗衣房吗？
Is there laundry in building?
Is there laundry in building?
Who handles maintenance requests?
Who handles maintenance requests?
谁负责维修请求？
Who handles maintenance requests?
Who handles maintenance requests?
How fast is maintenance response?
How fast is maintenance response?
维修响应有多快？
How fast is maintenance response?
How fast is maintenance response?
Are there any extra fees?
Are there any extra fees?
有其他额外费用吗？
Are there any extra fees?
Are there any extra fees?
Is internet service available here?
Is internet service available here?
这里有网络服务吗？
Is internet service available here?
Is internet service available here?
Can I paint the walls?
Can I paint the walls?
我可以粉刷墙壁吗？
Can I paint the walls?
Can I paint the walls?
Are guests allowed overnight?
Are guests allowed overnight?
允许客人过夜吗？
Are guests allowed overnight?
Are guests allowed overnight?
Is there heating and cooling?
Is there heating and cooling?
有暖气和空调吗？
Is there heating and cooling?
Is there heating and cooling?
What is the neighborhood like?
What is the neighborhood like?
周边环境怎么样？
What is the neighborhood like?
What is the neighborhood like?
Are there schools nearby?
Are there schools nearby?
附近有学校吗？
Are there schools nearby?
Are there schools nearby?
How close is the supermarket?
How close is the supermarket?
超市有多近？
How close is the supermarket?
How close is the supermarket?
Is the building secure at night?
Is the building secure at night?
晚上大楼安全吗？
Is the building secure at night?
Is the building secure at night?
Can I have a lease copy?
Can I have a lease copy?
我可以要一份租约副本吗？
Can I have a lease copy?
Can I have a lease copy?
Do you require a credit check?
Do you require a credit check?
需要信用检查吗？
Do you require a credit check?
Do you require a credit check?
Can I provide a guarantor?
Can I provide a guarantor?
我可以提供担保人吗？
Can I provide a guarantor?
Can I provide a guarantor?
How many months' notice to leave?
How many months' notice to leave?
需要提前几个月通知退租？
How many months' notice to leave?
How many months' notice to leave?
When is rent due each month?
When is rent due each month?
每月几号交租金？
When is rent due each month?
When is rent due each month?
Do you accept online payments?
Do you accept online payments?
接受网上支付吗？
Do you accept online payments?
Do you accept online payments?
Is subletting allowed with permission?
Is subletting allowed with permission?
允许转租吗？
Is subletting allowed with permission?
Is subletting allowed with permission?
Can I schedule a second viewing?
Can I schedule a second viewing?
我可以安排第二次看房吗？
Can I schedule a second viewing?
Can I schedule a second viewing?
Are utilities billed separately here?
Are utilities billed separately here?
这里水电费是分开计费的吗？
Are utilities billed separately here?
Are utilities billed separately here?
Who do I contact for keys?
Who do I contact for keys?
我联系谁拿钥匙？
Who do I contact for keys?
Who do I contact for keys?
Is there a move-in inspection?
Is there a move-in inspection?
有入住检查吗？
Is there a move-in inspection?
Is there a move-in inspection?
I need time to think.
I need time to think.
我需要时间考虑。
I need time to think.
I need time to think.
Thank you. I'll contact you soon.
Thank you. I'll contact you soon.
谢谢，我会尽快联系你。
Thank you. I'll contact you soon.
Thank you. I'll contact you soon.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。